Today I've got another camp build. Today I decided I'm going to revisit my first camp location. I tried to make it look as close as I could, but I made it more on the level 70 side. At the top of the hill here we've got the artillery piece. We've always got the artillery piece. And for some reason I decide I want to throw one, just so we can hear this bad boy going off the whole video. But now we get to the actual camp. So you can see I've got some corn, and I've got my very own pet Moo Moo, which is floating. I also didn't think it'd ever hit it with it being so close. There she goes. Alright, here's the generator house, which I think I'm going to start using this in a lot of my other builds, because I really like the way it looks and stuff. Not too much. It's just, you know, the generator storage and power armor frame area. Restricted, keep out. I don't want people messing up my fusion generator. Who knows how much it'll cost to repair that. Over here I've got my water purifier. It's black right there. And I've got my mud fruit. And there was going to be a bunch more behind this, behind here, in here. So it'd be like overgrowth in there, but I couldn't get one. I couldn't get any more in there. So there's a garden gnome next to a bench and a bear-proof trash can. And by the way, there is my Tato. I almost forgot to mention them. And here is the first floor. So I've got another Tricentennial poster. I usually have at least one of these in my camps. And I've maxed my budget out. I cannot place anything else, which I was going to do more decorating, but I couldn't. Here's the kitchen, and that lamp is off-centered. It's still a little off-centered, but oh well. Here's my basic kitchen setup. I need to get the cabinet plan so I can make it a little bit better. And here we go. I've got some of the White Spring plans now. Here's the bathroom. Not much to say about it. I guess you can say it's a bathroom. But yeah, so there are a few plans I need to get though. I decided to show them off here. I'm not too worried about those. I don't know what this plan's called, but I really want to get it. If you guys know where it is or what it's called, please tell me. Same with most of these. The lockers. I know where the cabinets are. Where the old dressers and where the safes are. Where I can get these tables. I don't know what these tables are called, to be honest. These, I don't know what those are called either. Where they're at. I know these are rustic tables, but I don't know where they're at. And also the letters and numbers plan. But anyway, back to your normally scheduled programming. Here's the storage and workshop area. for the terminal, and I forget to wire it. I always forget about wiring the terminal, so I guess you can see me doing that. And here's all my workbenches. The diner door is the only metal door I have on this character. Here's a little lounge area, and I don't like this area location because the grass goes to the floor, but it's whatever. Here's the living room. And here's the bedroom. It's pretty small, but it works. And now we've got the porches. The porches, I didn't do much with them. I just put seating and table down. Here's some seating, and here's the lounge chairs. But yeah, the animation on these is very disappointing. So, same with the chaise. Like, I'm pretty sure in Vault 4 you sat on them right, but in this one they decided to put the basic. I don't like it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this camp build. If you guys need plans or bulk stuff that I've got and you want to do some trading, or you've got something that I need, hit me up. This is my Xbox character, but I'm also available to trade on PS4. And also, if you're on PS4, I have a PS4 community called Feral Camp Showroom. It's meant for trading and, well, showing off camps or settlements. It's not specifically tied to Fallout 76. I'm down for Fallout 4 as well, but I couldn't set multiple games as a main. Well, if you did enjoy it, like this one. I've got a couple other camp videos, and I may soon start making some Fallout 1 videos. Because I've been wanting to play this game for a while, and I finally have it. I will see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, sub, and share.